My name's Renee Vanette, and I'm a partner here at Howie Saxon Henry. I was a registered nurse before I got into law. Having had my children as a teenager, I decided to expand my horizons and use my nursing career to help me help other people even more. I started out actually in the defense side of things, defending these cases against the accident victims. And it was not satisfying at all. It was tearing down the vulnerable. And I knew very quickly that my role was going to be in building them up and helping them to rebuild their life. As a registered nurse, as well as a lawyer, the goal is kind of the same in the end result. And that is the best recovery possible. There's no more vulnerable clients in law than those who are suffering from catastrophic or traumatic injuries that have been life-altering. How do they build their life back? Hope starts here. It does start here, so that they can see there is going to be a life after this catastrophic or traumatic event. HSH is different from other personal injury law firms because we have a team behind each lawyer, a team of experts in navigating this legal process. And the client knows when they reach out to us with a question, they're going to get an answer. And I always tell my clients, I don't want you to ever fret or agonize over a question. Pick up the phone, email us, ask the question so we can put your mind at ease.